Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to get this beach waves hairstyle using just a hair straightener. It's super cute, really easy, and it only takes 15 minutes. So keep watching to see how to get this look. Alright, let's get started. So to start off, I am just working with hair that is a day old. I washed it yesterday, and I'm going to put some of this hydrating styling cream. I love this because this just kind of gives a little more texture to your hair and then allows the curls to just kind of stay put longer throughout the day. So I'm just going to work it through my hair. So now that we've got that, it's also going to protect my hair a little bit from the heat. And I'm going to work my hair in 4 layers. So the first layer will be the bottom layer, and this part is a little bit harder to show, so I'm just going to skip through and then start explaining with layer number 2. Okay. So we're going to grab another layer. So basically it's just the bottom half of your hair. You just want to get like 1-inch sections or so, and basically the key to this look is to alternate the direction that you're curling your hair. So if I'm going to be starting off by curling this strand away from my face, then I'm going to curl the second section towards my face. And the more you alternate it, yes, you'll get more volume as well, but it kind of gives a more messier look. It's just that beachy wave hairstyle that we're going after. So since we're using a straightening iron, another tip is to kind of just start curling once you get to about 2 inches away from the roots, and leave about 1 inch of it undone as well. And also another tip is that you don't want to curl it so tightly, so you're not going to be twisting the straightening iron like this. It's going to be more at an angle, diagonal angle. That way it's like a longer, looser wave than like a tight curl. So nobody wants to look like Curly Sue. So I'm just going to start twisting, and you can see it's like at a 45-degree angle. And then as I'm bringing it down, I'm going to continue twisting and let go of the top part, and then bam. And if it gets a little too curly, then just straighten it out. And later on, it's going to loosen out anyway, so don't spend too much time on one section. So this one I'm going to do towards the face. I'm going to make sure all the hairs are inside the iron. And I'm just going to continue with the rest of this layer. Another tip is that you want to make sure that the hairs framing your face will be curled away from the face. Okay, so now that we're at the top section of the hair, the last 2 layers, these are a little bit more important because that's what people will see. So you just want to spend a little bit more time making sure that the curls look a little prettier. So this one, for example, I feel like the top section didn't get curled, so I'm just going to go through it again and make sure I start twisting it right around 2 inches away from the roots. That's a little better now. And again, once we comb it out with our fingers, it's going to loosen up a lot. Alright, we're almost done. Now we're just going to do the top layers. Just know I am not a professional hairstylist by any means, so I'm just doing what works for me. I actually like using a straightener because I feel like it does give a lot more of a looser wave look than a curly look. But I do sometimes use a curling iron to achieve this look as well. But when I'm traveling, it's nicer to just carry one hairstyling tool than two. So with this, I can wear it straight or wavy. Alright, let's just section this one off really quick. Final strand. So like before I start twisting the iron, I'm just like straightening out the top section. All right, and I'm already done. It took me 15 minutes to do. So I'm just going to comb it out with my hair or my hands. And already it's looking nice and piecey and beachy. Like I just got back from a day at the beach. And to add more texture, I'm going to add this spray. It's a flexible whole tousled effect spray from KALEIDOS. Love this. Shake it up. If you have a sea salt hairspray, those work great too. We love that messy hair, right? And this is going to just add to that effect. Alright, so now that I sprayed it, I'm just going to crunch up my hair a little bit. And a tip that my hairstylist taught me is to just add a little bit of dry shampoo to your roots. I love this Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. It smells amazing. So I'm just gonna kind of like lift up and spray in my roots. Do a few layers of those. Ooh. And this also adds a little bit of volume too, so whoa. Just kind of massage it in a little bit. And since I'm going to part it this way, I want there to be more volume, so I'm just going to do this. And then once you kind of lift the roots going the opposite direction, once you flip it back, it gives you a lot more volume. And this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts. If this was helpful to you, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll link the products that I use below. But until then, I hope you're subscribed to my channel so that you can see more videos. Bye guys! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, what happened to my voice? Whoops. Whoops. Stay tuned. That's wrong. Because these are what everyone's gonna see. Just a hair straightener. So it's why?